Greetings, everybody!
Big Texas Breaks.
Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks!
May I have your attention, please?
BTB. BTB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities. Live.
What you are about to do is real.
This is not a dream. This is
Big Texas Breaks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
What's up, everybody? BTB here doing a 2015 NT one box break. Teams have already been randomized. No trades went down. We've got Mariners, D-Bags, Braves, Toby, Sox, Irish, Rangers, A-Dog, Brewers, Kessler, OC Fight Dog, D-Backs, A-Dog, Rays, Zach, M, Cardinals, John R, Ken W, which is D-Bag, Yankees, Giants, Julio, Radke with the Orioles and Twins, A-Dog with the A's, Will with the Cubs, Jason W with the Jays, Tony 2 with the Reds, Pirates, Zach M, John R with the Marlins, Angels, Finch, Indians, Zach, Ern with the Dodgers, Phillies, Sox, Timmy, D-Bags, Mets, Royals, Zach M, Tigers, Jeremy M, Timmy, Strohs, Padres, Jeremy M, Rockies, Tony T, and Nationals, Kessler. So those are the teams. Mic check, vid check, everything good? D-Bags? Are you good, man? Good luck, everyone. Pulled a sick-ass book in the last one. Maybe we should go on natural again. Thanks, A-Dog. Let's see what we come up with. Nice number to 5 book a while ago. Let's go for that pop. Slightly fatter book. Not really. I like the smell, man. That wood. Empty box. Pedro Martinez. Red Sox, number 99. Red Sox. Going out to Timmy. Timmy with the Red Sox hit, man. Congrats, brother. Timmy. All Century. We've got... Alright, this is going to be 10 of 10. Harry Hellman, Goose Goslin, Eddie Collins, and Lefty O'Doul. It's going to be Detroit Tigers, and I think this is the A's. Is this Philadelphia Athletics? I will look it up here in a little bit to confirm. I'm going to randomize it between those two teams. And I'll determine via the checklist what Philadelphia it is. So we'll randomize that here in a little bit between Detroit. Roger Maris for the Yankees, 85 of 99. That's cool right there. Roger Maris, 85 of 99. That's going to be... Where's the Yankees at? Yankees. D-Bags! D-Bag, get your little camera time there, bud. Congrats, brother. And Bob Turley for New York. I want to say this is Yankees as well. I'll double check. I don't think it's Mets, but Bob Turley. Can you look that up real quick? 20 of 99. I believe that's Yankees again. That's going to be D-Bags. But I will confirm that. There you go, brother. This is a pretty cool one. Willie Horton, 40 of 99, Detroit Tigers. Willie Horton, Detroit Tigers. All right. Detroit. That's going to be Jeremy M. Jeremy M. Congrats, brother. Jeremy M. Pretty cool card right there. I like this patch. This is a nasty patch. Kendall Graveman, 43 of 49. 43 of 49. That's going to be Oakland. Oakland. Who has Oakland A's? A-Dog. A-Dog. Congrats, A-Dog. A-Dog. That is a sick patch, dude. I know, right? Don't trade your team. Chris Davis, 6 of 25. Baltimore Orioles. Baltimore on the board. Richard Radke. R. Richard R. Congrats, my man. I see you right there. Richard R. Congrats, brother. Chris Davis. Orioles hit, bro. Yes, sir. Number to 25, too, man. And rookie silhouette autographs, purple bat, Noah Syndergaard. That's Mets, correct? That's going to be New York Mets. D-Bags, you fool. Look at you, hitting all the New Yorks. So it doesn't matter. You have the Mets and the Yankees, so even on the other card, it doesn't matter. Syndergaard. D-Bags, wow. And the book, 5 of 10. 5 of 10. Joe Mauer, Minnesota Twins. Minnesota Twins, MVP 09. Minnesota going to Radke. Radke. That's you, brother. 5 of 10. Congrats. Five of 10. Nice, bro.